Hello, I'm Sandy Wong.
你好，我是叶萱萱，我们是今年年度基金的联合主席。
Today is Giving Tuesday, a day dedicated to giving back and making a positive impact in our communities.
我们希望借着慈善星期二这个全球性的筹款日，让您对汉基年度基金更关注。
The annual fund makes a big difference in fostering an environment where our children's curiosity and passions can thrive. Without your support, this would not be possible. Let's lead by example for our children and show the power of contributing to the wider CIS community.
Did you know that tuition only covers costs such as keeping the lights on? What the annual fund does is that it adds vibrancy and an edge to our CIS community.
We've already surpassed the halfway mark, with 38% participation and 30 million raised.
Join us and give today. Every dollar counts and every child benefits. 您的参与很重要，每一个学生都会受益。支持我们的孩子，请您立即捐款。
Thank you for your generosity. 谢谢你的支持。